Welcome to the second episode of my Morocco, Spain and Portugal vlog series. This video will feature my 3-day excursion to the Sahara. So, what's with the title? Well, for starters, everyone in my tour group had a partner or was traveling with their buddies. Not that I'm bitter or anything. I do enjoy traveling alone, but for some reason, I wasn't able to meet other solo travelers. Those whom I became friends with on this trip were mostly couples. I booked this tour online at MarrakeshDesertTrips.com for 89 euros. Nope, this isn't a sponsored video, but I wish it were. It is totally possible to do this trip independently. I don't usually join group tours, but I only had 9 days in Morocco, so yeah. I think it was money well spent since accommodations, dinner, and breakfast are all included. It was also nice to hang out with other travelers, and I felt safe throughout our journey. Our first main destination for this day was the World Heritage Site of Ksar Ait Ben Haddou. A fair warning though, this place is extremely touristy. But if you're like me who loves architecture, culture, and history, then please come and visit. I've always wanted to go to this place for its clay architecture and historical significance in the Saharan caravan trade. Ksar is a fortified village, and even though most locals now live in modern dwellings across the river, it is still fascinating to imagine how the Berbers used the earth to build this village hundreds of years ago. The surrounding oasis was also a sight to behold. Fun fact, several movies and series have been shot here like Gladiator, Game of Thrones, The Mummy, Prince of Persia, and many others. One more thing to consider when joining this trip is to bring something that will keep you busy for many hours. Like literally, you will be on the road for the most part of your trip.
So we just stopped for a 15-minute break after driving for so long. Like, I'm so exhausted to be honest, but I'm so amazed by the stamina of the driver. Imagine driving for that long. Like, the views were great, but it's tiring. We're actually on our last stop before we finally reach our hotel, but this stop is incredibly beautiful, just in time for sunset. We're right in the middle of Dadis Valley, if I'm not mistaken.
See that building beside the river at the middle of the canyon? That's La Chateau de Dadis, where we stayed for the night. The next day, we didn't have enough time to fully savor the stunning river and canyon views from our private rooms as we headed out for Tinghir after breakfast. The city of Tinghir lies on a fertile oasis. Our guide gave us a walking tour of the local farms and orchards. Most of the city's residents are Berbers or Amazighs. Living across northern Africa and some countries in Europe, Berbers are an ethnic group with their own culture, history, and language that transcends geographical borders. I was especially captivated by their art and system of writing.
Where are we going? You just follow the crowd. You don't know.
Part of our itinerary in Tinghir was to visit a local carpet workshop. The colors and designs were striking, but so was the price.
السلام عليكم.
Alaikum salam.
مرحبا بك.
Thank you. Shukran.
I was looking into buying a small one for myself as a souvenir, but the cost was way out of my budget. A 1-meter rug was around 120 euros.
This for the floor, no problem. Walk by shoes. If you have a tiger, no problem.
We made a brief stop to appreciate the panoramic view of the oasis before heading to Todra Gorge.
So this canyon is the last stop before lunch, and it's so beautiful. Okay, we have to go back.
Let's go. Yalla yalla. Lunchtime.
Here's our van. Here's our guide.
And now you're gonna see the Sahara.
Hey.
Great. On your right.
There is the Sahara. We just arrived on our destination for today, and you can probably say that this is one of the main activities of this 3-day Moroccan excursion. Take a look at this. So we're riding camel store camp. We're actually in the middle of the Sahara. Well, not in the middle, but north of it. And yeah, the last time I rode a camel was when I was in 6th grade back in Saudi Arabia. So I'm definitely excited. So I got separated from my group, but here's my camel. There's a camel behind me. Okay, I'm going up now. Whoa! Okay. Okay, so I'm actually in front of the pack.
Yeah, I know, riding a camel is as thirsty as it can get, but with awe-inspiring views like this, who am I to complain? It was simply magical.
I'm riding on a camel in the Sahara. So I got separated from my group, but it's fine.
Hello.
Yay! Alright. Okay.
Now we are your group.
Awesome. Yeah, so they are my new group, my new friends. And yeah, beautiful Sahara. Okay, we're now. Okay, we're going down. Yay! Okay, kalas. So here's my camel. Thanks for giving me a ride. They just gave us some time to appreciate this beautiful sunset here at the Sahara. Just 2 days before Christmas, and here I am appreciating the beauty of the Sahara. Yeah, I had to go up here. And it was tiring. But it was well worth it. Just look at the view.
The camel ride to our camp was smooth and took almost an hour. I got myself a private tent for a €10 surcharge. Toilets were simple and communal, but with running water. After chilling for a bit, we ate dinner with other travelers, relaxed around the campfire, stared at the night sky, and watched shooting stars. The sky was so clear and littered with stars. Everything was dreamlike and surreal. Thanks for joining me on my third wheeling journey to the Sahara. Here's a preview of the next episode in Fes and Volubilis. Hoping that you can watch the next one. Cheers!